Dudes, that's another quick video, real quick, just to show you how to change out the rear lights. I'm doing an upgrade if you got a broken one. This is how you do it. 97 4.6 HSE. Now, first thing you got to do is get that panel off. This is for the left hand side one. So that panel comes off with 4 of them. I'll do the other 2 which are back there because I need to let go of the phone, but take them off and this panel should come out. We'll try it. And hey voila, one panel, easy off, just slide it straight out. Inside here, there's 4 of them bolts. So you just got to undo them. There's 4 of them. 1 there, 2 there, 2 more at the top. If you can see those, they're up there somewhere. So you got to deck them out. First thing you got to do is unplug that green multi-plug. But I just tried to get it out. It seems like it's a bit of a trick, so I'm going to undo the nuts first. They're 8mm. Get them 4 out, see if I can slide it far enough outside of the car to then get the multi-plug out. Try it that way. Right, it's hanging out the car. Now I see why this multi-plug won't come out. There's a little black tab there that you got to actually push down, I think, to release it. So tricky one-handed, so I'm actually going to try and release the bulb holder itself. So that's tricky. So that one there and that one there, you got to push them in and lift this holder out. I'll do that, we'll come back. Said bulb holder is now out, dead easy, just slip it out. So because I'm changing to clear from orange, I'm giving it an update. The bulb, which is that one, I need to change out for an orange one because there's a clear lens. So if you're changing just the lens because you broke it, just pull the holder out, pull the lamp off the casing itself, the lens, put that back onto your lamp holder, put it all back, job done. If you're changing it over to clear from orange, then obviously you've got to change that bulb to orange. So I'm going to do that. So obviously putting it in reverse of taking it out. So just line up the 4 holes, and once you put the bulb holder in, line up the 4 holes, just slide it in and then go back inside there and put the 4 nuts back on. Easy as that. Other side, right hand side, a bit easier. Get rid of that and same deal. 4 bolts, hanger, bulb hanger and a clip. So 4 bolts out, same deal as the other side, dead easy. So outer corner's done. Next thing, I'm going to show you how to take these ones out and swap them over. Dead easy. First thing, this panel off the tailgate has got to come out, and that is simple. 1, 2, 3 of them. I think they're about 1/4 of a turn and the whole thing just pops out. I'll show you. Hey, voila. You're right, I got 1 nut, 2 nuts, at least I should hope so, 3 nuts. So simple as that, and should be the same on the other side. Yeah, 1, yeah, there'll be 1 down there somewhere, yeah, and then another 1 down there. Same procedure as the corner lights. Undo the bulb carrier and then you can drop the light out. Be careful, because if you're undoing the nuts, it's just going to fall straight through, so make sure you got hold of it. Anyway, I'll carry on. And there you have it. Now we get the lamp out. So I didn't hang around to get a phone charge for obvious reasons, because it's now bucketing down. Well, it's raining at least, but there you go, that's how it looks. Not too bad, bit of adjustment to line them all up, but they came out really well. Hope you enjoyed it. Good luck. Bye.